just a quick specs comparison video between the Fossibot F115 Ultra and the RugOne Xsnap 7 Pro. These two rugged phones are among the best 5G rugged phones of 2026. Now, both devices are not kind of like available yet. The Xsnap 7 Pro would likely launch in the middle of the year, while the Fossibot F115 Ultra is expected to launch officially globally before the end of this month, or maybe in early May, but there's no official release date yet. Anyway, without further ado, let's compare the specs of both devices. So there you have it, guys, the Fossibot F115 Ultra versus the Xsnap 7 Pro from RugOne. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.